Hey guys, welcome back to Ngo's kitchen. In my kitchen today, I'll be showing you how to make this mouth-watering seafood vegetable okra soup. Tasted so delicious, you don't want to miss this recipe, guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel and you're new here, you're welcome. Please consider subscribing. And to all my amazing old and returning subscriber, I love you. Thank you all so much. God bless you. So I'll be showing you how I made this delicious yumminess seafood okra soup. These are the ingredients to make a delicious seafood vegetable okra. I have my seafood here. This is my king prawns or big prawns and combination of seafood. That's my mushrooms, and I'll be adding fish. I just love fish, you know. I'm a lover of fish, so I'll be adding some smoked fish. It's washed, and some mackerel fish, which is clean as well. And I have here salt, seasoning cubes, blended dry crayfish for seasoning. And guys, this is the juice I extracted from the big prawns. That is what I normally do occasionally, not always, because it's a bit stressful. What you see here is the skin of the king prawn, the big prawns. I peeled them off, blended it, and I washed it off, and I filter out the juice. So I'll be using it as my water for the soup. And that's my spinach, okra. I have 2 long bell pepper, 3 Scotch bonnets, and 2 onion, and of course palm oil. And that's the ingredients. I'm gonna start by pouring in my oil. I'll just allow it to heat up for 1 or 2 minutes. So once the oil is preheated for 1 or 2 minutes, I'll go ahead to add my pepper, and I'm going to stir together, allow it to fry for 1 or 2 minutes again. So guys, I'm going to add half of my blended crayfish, and I will reserve this one for later use. And guys, how can I forget not to show you my local spice? I don't know how I managed to escape this one. So that's my local spice, that's locust beans. I'm just going to add half of it, and I'm going to combine this together. And that's my seasoning cube. I'm still going to add half of it. I don't want to overcook my pepper, so I'm just going to remove a little bit of quantity or reserve it for later use. So guys, the next thing is to add our prawns. And I'm going to add my washed fish. And that's my smoked fish. And that's the juice from my big prawns. I'm just going to add a little bit. So I'm going to add some salt. And we are going to cover it to simmer. So I'm just going to flip the fish so the other side will cook as well. I'm just going to put the lid on again. So guys, the fish is fully cooked now. So to avoid them from breaking, I'm just going to take them off. So it doesn't take long to cook this kind of okra. So now I'm going to be bringing in my seafood because it's half cooked. So I'm bringing it now at this point. And now my mushroom, all chopped and cleaned. And now I'm going to stir this together. Guys, have you tried using mushroom to prepare your okra? It's one that you don't want to miss. So guys, I'm going to combine everything together. If you haven't tried using mushroom to prepare your okra, please try it and let me know how it came out, how it tasted, if you like it or not. But trust me, you're going to love it. So I'm going to leave the mushroom to simmer for a few minutes. So guys, and guys, I'm going to be adding my okra now. And I'm going to stir together properly. So let's bring back our remaining blended crayfish and my seasoning cubes, and guys, my Locust spice. Let's combine it properly. And the remaining juice that I extracted from the prawns. And now guys, I'll be bringing back the fish that we took out. So guys, I'm just going to leave it to simmer for a few minutes. So I'm going to bring back my remaining sauce. You know, the pepper we took out. And we'll just leave it to simmer for 1 or 2 minutes. I'm going to add our spinach. And we're going to give it a good stir as much as we can. So I'm just going to taste for salt or any other seasoning, but I don't think if this soup need any additional seasoning. But we're just going to give it a taste. This is absolutely delicious, guys. Tastes so good. I like ways to describe how tasty this soup tastes. It tastes absolutely divine. So guys, you can serve your okra soup with any kind of swallow of your choice, either fufu, eba, pounded yam, name it. It goes really well with any type of swallow. So this is how to make your seafood vegetable okra soup. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe and turn your post notification bell on so you'll be notified instantly whenever I upload a new video. So thank you once again, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.